Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the green screen overlay in CapCut. So I just downloaded my overlay from TikTok. You can also download it from YouTube, but just go to overlay, select add overlay, and just add in your green screen video. I'm just going to delete the beginning part because I just want this part only. Just drag it to the left and resize it to fit the whole screen. Okay, now you're going to have to select the video to find this option, which is under cutout, and then select Chroma key, and you're just going to want to select the green part of the video. Go to intensity and adjust the intensity here, and also add in the shadow as well if you'd like to. But honestly, that is basically it. Now the green screen is gone. So again, go to cutout, Chroma key, select the green part, adjust the intensity as well as the shadow. If some parts of it is missing, you can adjust the intensity a little bit, but I'm just going to delete it. It won't be perfect, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!